Hi, it's Tally. Today we are looking at the sold inventory report. This report is a great tool for looking at totals for margins made, discounts applied, cost, and price sold over a specific period. The sold inventory report can be run for a day, a week, a month, a year, or even more to show all inventory items sold or processed through Bravo to include layaways. Note any item sold via a layaway will show on the date the item was paid for in full and actually leaves the store. So let's dive in. From the dashboard, navigate to Reports and scroll down to the Sales Reports and select Sold Inventory and then Preview. The sold inventory report configuration allows us to set parameters such as a date or date range, displaying the margin by either a percent or a currency, as well as grouping and sorting the data. For this example, we are going to enter a date range for the week of April 11th to April 17th, 2022. Next, we will leave the display margin as a percentage and on to group by, where we have several options to include area, category, location, associate, and so on. We are going to choose category. And for sort by, we can also see several options: date sold, price sold, associate, and omnichannel. We are going to choose date sold and then OK. The report layout includes a line for each item sold, and in this example, we chose to group the items sold by category. The report will group the items in the same category together and then give subtotals for the categories as seen here. Let's take a look at the item in the gents wristwatch category. Notice what information is shown: the date this item was sold, the margin made as a percentage, the discount given as a percentage, the price the item was sold for, and the item's cost and who sold it. If we scroll down to the bottom of the report, we can see the total amounts for the entire report for cost, price, discount, and margin. If we want to look at the data and numbers without specified category details, we can rerun the report by selecting Done. Sold inventory will already be highlighted, so choose Preview and deselect the detail box here, and then select OK. What is displayed is the final margin, discount, price sold, and cost for each category without all of the additional details. We can also see a total for each column here at the end of the report. That's it. If you still have questions, check out the detailed sold inventory report in our Solution Center or give us a call at 888-407-6287. Thanks and have a great day.